Come to the small side elevator at the small street elevator at the Northside T station. Oh boy, we're gonna have a Chewbacca motor here. CJ Anderson. Diesel Deucey, still love this. Look at this. Nice. Let's see which one comes down. Here comes the small one. Small one's coming. These are on separate controllers. Oh. I'm riding. Alright, we're gonna go to the street level. Class C's reloading. The door closed button works. We like that. We got Chewbacca motor. High place over there. Concourse. Skag Avenue. Very nice elevator. Their fixtures, they're CJ Anderson. Diesel Deucey. What do you think of this elevator? These are integrated glasses. So dry powered motors. Has incredible. Whoa, Windows 30. There's the control panel. T calls it the Class C's reloading. It's 2,000 pounds opposed to the other one. That's it.